Vital beats för tankarna till vad då? Hjärtat. Och en kort, intensiv och spännande introduktion till Vital Beats kommer Jonas Moll att ge oss. Varsågod Jonas, scenen är din.
Good afternoon. My name is Jonas. I'm the CEO and founder of Vital Beats. We're a Danish company and we are 6 years old, so we are quite younger than the companies that you've seen so far. We are also pre-IPO and we are privately held. So I will give you a little bit of highlights and then we can jump into some details about what we're doing. We are a digital health company. That means that we produce software. We have a software product that helps clinicians at the hospital and private clinics to treat heart patients. We do that by using algorithms that we've built everything in-house, mostly by using AI or utilizing AI. We're a little team, 7 people. I started the company. I used to research heart patient treatment and why you become a heart patient and what we can do about it. I have a PhD in computer science and we built the company on top of my 10-year research at the University of Copenhagen. So unfortunately, most of us know someone close to us or in the family who has suffered a heart attack or is in some way related to a heart disease challenge. And that's not surprising because every 40 seconds someone around the Western world has a heart attack. So that means after my short presentation here, we have 5 people who have had a heart attack. So clearly, quite mind-blowing, right? Clearly we need to do something about that. The good news is that we can screen for it. So there is a way to find out if you are in danger of suffering from heart disease. The problem with that is that it creates a lot of data. So if clinicians at the hospitals should look manually through all the data coming in about our heartbeats and sort through which are dangerous, which are actually healthy, they wouldn't have the time to do that, and there's not enough people to do it. So we don't have the staff at the hospitals. So we need technology to do that. And there are 2 areas that we need that. So one is when you've become a heart patient, then the challenge for the hospital is to manage you, see that the treatment is going well and manage all your different data points and so on. But in the future, and also now, we don't want to unnecessarily go to the hospital. We want to stay at home or even be well managed while we are traveling. So we've built a product that allows the hospital to treat us remotely, those of us who unfortunately will suffer from heart disease. And there are 2 components. There's a system that they use at the hospital, and for us, patients or citizens, we have an app that we can use to communicate and track ourselves every day. Then the more exciting stuff is to figure out which of us is in danger of developing heart disease, and we can then monitor it and intervene early on if we know who has these patterns that we would like to avoid. So screening, we do that using wearables. So Apple Watch, we are in early talks with Garmin about using their watches. So imagine you could use your Apple Watch or your wearable anywhere in the world, and you could find out if you have early indications of worsening or indications of that you would develop heart disease. So those are the 2 products, one for management and one for screening. We are quite mature, even though we are still a young company, so we sort of passed all the early steps, proof of concept, can it actually work, can we build it into a product, proof of tech, will the product work, can we validate our AI, and then can we make it so valuable that someone will pay, and here someone is a hospital. And yes, we can. We already did that, so we have paying customers. We are market ready. We are CE marked. We are GDPR compliant. It's a quite huge market, $5 billion US. It's growing compoundedly 10% every year. We have paying customers, private hospitals in Denmark and government-run hospitals. One of our biggest competitors, Cardiologs, a French company, got acquired in 2021 by Philips. Thanks a lot. We will be right out here.
Thank you. Thank you. What are the the most important milestones that you have actually reached so far?
For us, it's that we have a mature product that we can actually market, and we have paying customers. So for us, the main challenge now is to scale that business. So get more customers, more hospitals using our platform. That will give us more data, and we can improve our algorithms. But we have passed all the earlier steps.
Okay.
So we need to market it now.
Yeah. Are you looking for capital?
We're always looking for the right capital partners.
Looking for new business.
We're not in acute need, and we're not racing around right now. But of course, it's an issue. It costs a lot of money to develop software like this. So if you want to have a talk with us, we will be right out here, and we would love to talk with you.
Okay. And what is the main focuses for the coming period ahead of us?
So our technology is used in Denmark now. We have early talks here in Sweden, in the UK. So our main focus will be to expand from Denmark to the Nordics, UK, and use UK as a test bed, and then go to the US. We also CE marked MDD, so we can do that. Okay. That's our main focus now.
Thank you very much for coming here, Jonas. And
thanks for the opportunity.
Thank you.